been hearing whispers about camera-equipped AirPods for a while now, and now we might know when we're actually gonna get this feature. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The AirPods were set to feature infrared sensors, gesture controls, AI features, even potential tie-ins with Vision Pro. First it was 2026, then 2027, then back to 2026. But now, thanks to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, we might have a clearer picture. According to Gurman, Apple's wrapped development on the AirPods Pro 3 and is already exploring a new H3 chip for the next model. One of the boldest ideas was to put cameras directly into the AirPods themselves. This isn't just sci-fi speculation. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo first introduced the concept in 2024, saying the cameras could improve spatial audio precision in the Vision Pro headset. Apple even filed a patent backing the tech. Kuo later claimed the cameras could enable gesture recognition to control apps and AI features. Yes, it's like Minority Report, but for your ears. The only twist in the story is, even if Apple launches this futuristic feature, don't expect it to land in the budget-friendly AirPods 5 or even the AirPods Max. If Apple's adding cameras, it's surely strategizing it for the premium line. And that leaves the AirPods Pro 4 as the most likely candidate. And even then, we might be in for a wait. If Apple keeps up with its typical 3-year release cycle, the AirPods Pro 4 may not arrive until 2028, not in 2027, and definitely not the next year as well. So while camera-equipped AirPods sound amazing, and they might really be coming, they're still deep in the lab. For now, your AirPods will continue to hear you, but not see you just yet. What do you think about cameras and AirPods? Tell us your pick in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.